add, subtract, scientific notation. First, the exponent gotta be raised to the same power. Step 2, add and subtract the coefficients. Step 3, keep the exponent the same. And then, after you combine them together, after you combine step 1 and 2, you gotta ensure that the coefficients is greater than 1 or greater or equal to 1 and or less than 10. And less than 10. So greater gotta be greater or equal to 1 or less than 10. And less than 10.
What is that in the middle of the 1 and 2?
And alright. Let me know we can move on.
Oh, we
Good? Alright, so let's look at 8480. Let's look at 8480. So we had 5 times 10 to the 9th plus 3.1 times 10 to the 9th. Alright, step 1. Step 1. Somebody read step 1 for me.
Exponents have to raise to the same power.
Alright, why do X want to raise the same power?
Yeah.
Yes. We see that it's 10 to the 9th and this is 10 to the 9th. So we can proceed with step 2.
Add or subtract coefficients.
Alright, right now we're adding, so we're adding the coefficients. These are my coefficients and add them together.
.9
So we have 8.9,
plus 10 to 9.
not plus
times 10 to the 9.
times 10 to the 9th power. Alright, so what's our final step? What do we need to ensure?
That the coefficient is greater than or equal to 1.
If this is greater than 1,
Yes.
is it less than 10?
Yes.
Yes. My final answer.
So as long as that 8 is greater than 1.
As long as my coefficient is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, then that's my final answer. Alright, let's look at B. Let's look at B. I have, matter of fact, I'm gonna rewrite this. Let's look at B. Alright, somebody read what B is.
3.5 times 10 to the 6 plus 5.8 times 10 to the 6.
So what do we have? Additional subtraction problem.
Addition.
Alright, so what are my rules for adding and scientific notation? What's the first step?
Shift the exponents the same.
Alright, let's identify the exponents. Are they the same?
Yes.
Yes, so I can continue with step 2.
Gonna add your
Add
Add the coefficients.
coefficient.
Alright,
you're gonna get 9.3,
so 9.3 times
10.6.
10 to the 6th power. Alright, now I'm checking my final step.
9
Greater
is
than
greater than
1
1
and
and
less than 10.
Box my answer. move on to C. Hey, you go there. Move on to step, letter C. That's probably what we're dealing with,
Subtraction.
traction problem. Alright, what the first step we need to do,
Identify the exponent.
which is,
-4.
so I have 10 to the -4, they are the same. Alright, what I need to do now,
Subtract the coefficient.
subtract my coefficients.
3.3.
That gives me 3.3. Final answer. After you check to see when my coefficient is less than 10, but greater than 1, or equal to 1. Got it? Alright, let's look at D, 84D. What's step 1?
Identify the exponent.
Not D, what I'm looking for,
The exponent.
the exponents. Are they the same?
No.
No, the exponents are not the same. So now, I have to get them the same. How do I get the exponent the same? How do I make this exponent larger?
By making the coefficient smaller.
By making the coefficient smaller. I need to go up 1, right? So, how many places to the left I need to go?
1.
1 place to the left. I need to go 1 place to the left. What is my new coefficient for D?
0.54.
0.54 times 10 to the what power?
To the 8.
To the 8 power. Now I can add 2.2 times 10 to the 8 power.
2.74 times 10 to the 8.
So 4, 7, 2 times 10 to the 16 power, right? You say yes? No.
Oh, well,
You keep the exponents the same.
What does the rule say?
keep the exponents the same.
Keep the exponent to the same power. Don't add them. That's gonna be a trick on the test. It's gonna be to the 16th power as one of the answer choice.
So you only add, like,
What does the rule say?
Keep the
Keep the exponents the same.
Add the coefficient and keep the exponent the same. You have to follow the rules, or you're gonna miss them. That's why we start with the rule first. All right. So look at E. Are my exponents the same?
no.
No. All right. So what I need to do?
Move the decimal.
to the right.
To the right.
No,
Oh,
to the left.
Okay.
It's gonna be 0.34 times 10 to the 12th power.
All right. So yes. Now you can move them to the right. I'm gonna show you both ways. You are if you're talking about this, the first,
Then it would be,
you can move it to the right and make this smaller. Yes.
yeah, that one would be.
I'm gonna show you both ways. Let's do your way first. You're talking about this one, right? Let's move it to the right. All right. And we move this to the right one, and we have to subtract one. Right? All right. What would that new number be?
11.
65 times 10 to the 11th power.
65 times 10 to the 11th power. Right? And this one stay the same, we're subtracting. And let's go back. Let's do 65.0 times 10 to the 11th power. Right? Make sure you put a decimal in there so we can line them up. Subtracted by 3.4 times 10 to the 11th power. Alright? What do you have now?
62.
That's
no,
six.
wait, hold on. I
61.
don't think that's 62. That's 61.
One.
Yeah.
And can you borrow?
Yeah.
Right? Times 10 to 11 power. Is that my final answer?
The
No?
coefficient-
Why not?
The coefficient is bigger than 10.
The coefficient less than, is greater than 10, right? So how do I make that less than 10?
Move the decimal point to the left.
Move one place to the left. So my new decimal's here. If my coefficient gets smaller, what does this one get?
Bigger.
So what is my new number?
6.16 times 10 to the 12.
That's my final answer. If I do it like that, that gives me an additional step. If I did it Genesis way, I still get the right answer. I just got to do additional step. I would have to convert my coefficient and make it small to fit in my parameters. Right? So let's do the same problem. Let's do the same problem. Same problem. So let's do the same problem with making this smaller. Right? How do I make that my coefficient smaller?
Move the decimal point to the left.
One place to the left, and where I move my coefficient, my exponent.
Get bigger.
Alright, so let's write my new number. I got 6 times 10
To the 12.
to the 12. And what am I?
0.34 times 10 to the 12 power.
6.84.
And let's go from right to left. What is this?
4, 8, 6.
Alright. Times 10.
12 power.
Hold on, something is. Oh, we're supposed to subtract. We're not add.
Oh yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. Never mind, my bad.
Right here.
6.16.
Alright, let's add this. So 6, 1, 6. See? They get the same answer without an additional step. Doesn't matter.
You just gotta do more work with the first one.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna give you a minute. I need you to do 85. Take a minute. Y'all finished? I need another minute. That done? Alright, what else did I get?
9.72.
72 times 10 to the 23rd power.
Alright, it says, what is the difference? What do difference mean?
Subtraction.
So, never mind.
Oh, Lord, I'm shit.
3.12 times 10 to
Alright, so I have 6, 4, 2,
How I
Mine
added
is
with the
3.
subtraction sign,
3. Alright? What is that?
3.12.
Times 10 to the what power?
23.
I added with the subtraction sign.
You add it with subtraction sign.
And then the crazy thing, I wrote the equation with the subtraction sign and still added.
Alright? Now we're gonna work on multiplying and dividing. We'll work on these rules, multiplying and dividing. Scientific notation. Get over here. Alright, we're not gonna do every one of these. We're not gonna do every one. We'll probably do every other one. So let's go to the rule of multiplication and division.
You could remember a little bit more, please.
Alright, so let's look at, probably gonna do these. Probably gonna do these. Alright, let's look at the first one. So we go by rule. Multiplication division. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Multiply or divide coefficients. That's rule number 1. So let's take D. What are my coefficients for D?
7,
1.2 and 2.2.
oh, 2.2.
So 1.2 times 2.2 equal what?
2.64.
2.64. Go to step 2.
Alright, understand.
On step 2, we have to, since we're multiplying, we have to add the exponents. For multiplication, we have to add the exponents. For division,
Subtract.
we subtract the exponents. Since we're multiplying on this one, we gotta add the exponent. What are my exponents?
7 and -3.
-7
Oh, that's negative 6.
plus -3.
That's not
Oh, it's supposed to be negative?
That's -7. Oh, that's probably 7 triple. Probably 7. I'm looking at F. So probably 7 plus a -3.
4.
Positive 4.
And that's 10 to the power 4.
10 to the
Third step. Combine steps 1 and 2. So how do I write that scientific notation?
2.64 times 10 to the 4.
Times 10 to the 4. Final answer. Now, I have to ensure, on step 4, I have to ensure that x is, that's my coefficient, is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. That's my coefficient. Coefficient. With 1 T. Coefficient. greater than or equal to 1, less than 10. How do I write that as an inequality statement? Anybody know? How do I graph that on inequality, as an inequality statement? Alright, so you have a closed circle, and you have an open circle,
Oh, that's what it is.
10 and 1.
It'll probably be close to.
No, 1 is, I did for you.
Oh. Oh, that's what it's gonna look like. So, I remember I had did something like that in my house.
I forgot it.
Yep. Alright, y'all got the rules? Wait, no friend.
You did 2.64 times 10 to the 4th power.
What?
That's about,
It's just a regular scientific.
That's writing the scientific notation. You take the coefficient first, and then you take the exponent second. Alright, let's look at F. Let's look at F. What are my coefficients?
4.4 and 3.
So I have 4.4 times 3. What does that equal?
1.32.
What is it?
13.2.
13?
Yep.
Oh, see, that's why I like the calculator. They don't be giving you the whole number, you got to do the extra stuff.
I gotta do extra step.
No, they had it, like, they gave me, it said 1.3, and it just got,
Alright, step 2. On step 2, what's my second step?
You add the exponent.
I gotta add the exponents. What are my exponents?
-7 and -3.
-7, not and -3,
Plus,
plus -3.
you get -10.
Step 3,
You combine steps 1 and 2.
alright?
13.2 times 10 to,
10,000.
yeah.
Alright. Final answer?
Oh,
No,
What's the problem?
the coefficient
it's
greater than
greater
10.
than 10.
Coefficient is greater than 10, so I gotta change it. How do I make it smaller than 10? Or less than 10?
You move the decimal point to the left.
I gotta move it to the left, one place. So I gotta do what?
Make the exponent bigger.
So how do I do that?
Add 1.
Add one place. Alright? So, give me my new number.
It's gonna be 1.32 times 10 to the negative 11? Or
Negative
11?
-9.
Negative 9.
Yeah.
The smaller the negative, the larger the number. And then I box my answer, my final answer. You gotta remember that last step, because this is gonna be an answer choice. 13.2 times 10 to the -10. They're gonna try to trick you. You gotta get that coefficient in between that parameters. Greater or equal to 1, less than 10.
Hi there. It's currently 10:30
I
a.m.
know it.
With a current
I'm teaching too long today. Teaching too long today. Let's look at H. We got a division problem. We got a division problem. Alright? We'll give you a minute so you start working on the division problem.
I have a question. So with this division problem,
It's
do
the
it
same.
matter which way, like which number we
It's the
put
same.
first?
The number that's first written first.
Alright.
That's 10 to the 6th power.
10 to the 6th power. divided by 3 times 10 to the negative fourth power. I mean, it's like, another minute. Y'all way too long. Alright. Step one, what they do?
Divide
Divide
the
The
coefficient.
coefficient. So we have 2
2.7,
divided by
3.
3,
You'll get 0.9.
0.9. Boom. That's it. Alright, what's next step?
Subtract the exponents.
Alright, what was the first one?
10 to the 6.
6
Oh, 6. Minus
minus
negative 4.
a negative 4 equals
10
10,
to the 10th power.
no,
Right? 6 minus negative 4. 10 2.
Two.
That's what they gave us.
it's not, the calculator does not give you that,
6.
unless you put it in the calculator wrong.
So,
That's adding. If you add it, you get
Exactly.
6
You said subtracted.
Oh, right, you right,
negative
that's right, that's absolutely right.
10.
I was gonna say, hold up.
No, you gotta keep changing,
Yeah.
10 to 10. Alright, what's step 3?
Combine step 1 and 2.
Alright,
0.9 times 10 to the 10th power.
alright, final answer. Is that the final answer?
That's fine.
That's the final answer?
No,
Huh? That's the final
Oh,
answer?
it's not greater than 1.
cause
It's
it's
less
less
than
than.
It's less than 1.
Yeah. So we gotta move it to the right
You gotta move to the right.
and make the exponent smaller.
Alright, what is that?
9 times 10 to the 9th power.
You can put 9, a 0, and you can just leave it at 9. It really doesn't matter. Alright, finna look at J. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to do J. And I got J. Step one,
Divide
Divide
coefficient
coefficients.
6.6 divided by 3.3.
And you'll get two.
hold on, 6.6 divided by 3.3,
And you get two.
2. Step 2,
And then you got to subtract
The
your
exponents.
exponents.
right here, right here,
10
5.
10,
and 5
5,
minus 15
minus 15,
negative 10.
negative 10. Step 3,
Combine step
Combine
22.
final answer,
2 times 10 to the negative 10 power.
Two minutes for I. I see you. Oh, man. Alright. Bring step 1.
4.8 divided by 8.0.
Alright, 4.8 divided by 810 is what?
Minus 6.
Huh?
6.
6?
0.6.
0.6.
Thomas. Step 2.
That is one.
Subtract the exponent. It's a division problem. Right here first.
10
10,
negative 4.
negative 4, minus negative 10. Alright, keep, change. That become what?
10.4.
Closer to 6.
10 to the 6th power. Step 3, Edward, why don't step 3? Combine, alright, right here right first. Alright, that's my final answer. Nope, why not?
Coefficient less than 1.
The coefficient less than 1, how do I get it?
Move it to the right and subtract one.
Subtract 1.
And you're gonna get 6 times 10 to the 5th power.
Alright. Instead of giving you all tests today, I'm gonna give it to you Friday, but I need y'all to work in groups. I need y'all, Brandon, I need you to work with, Genesis. I need you to work with Caden. I need you to work with Evan. You know, how to add, we're gonna do a little lesson on adding, but they didn't see it.
Gotcha.
Let me put my camera on. Yep.
You got